In this video, we're going to talk about four-wheel drive tips for beginners. My number one tip for beginners is always take someone more experienced. They got more gear, more stuff, been there before. That's the person you want to have a chat to and take out the first time. Don't feel like a punter, feel like a pro because you've got your mate that's been there before. My next tip is you need to understand your four-wheel drive's capabilities. If you've got a soft road or all-wheel drive, you need to know you can't get off-road. If you've got a big 200 series and can tow, you need to know about the weight. You need to know what you've set up with it and what it can and can't do before you get out there. My third tip is plan ahead. I can't state that enough. It's no good going to the cold with warm weather gear and no good going somewhere that you're gonna get yourself into trouble at the wrong time, like at the beach. So plan ahead and enjoy your day. Well, fourth and final tip today is to get a basic recovery kit. I can't tell you how many times something small has saved my trip from disaster. I say it's the same for you guys out there. Get yourself set up and you have a great time out in the bush. So once again, take someone more experienced, know your four-wheel drive's capabilities, plan ahead and a basic recovery trip, and you've got everything right there for an awesome day on the tracks.